So many barbers struggle to do a high top fade correctly. They always bring the fade way too high. So let me show you. Follow this tutorial now. First off, set your invisible line where you're not going to go above. Flatten the sides, then put your skin line in where you want the fade to stop. Go back to flattening the sides and look, I'm gonna go up to my invisible line and flick out. Look how I'm not where the bulk of hair is at the top. Keep coming from under the skin line up to the invisible line and flick out. Drop down to the number one, going up slightly lower than where I was before and flicking out. Come from under the skin line up and flick out. Now with the open blade, look how I'm just flattening the bottom part. Then flick it around, then go up slightly lower than where I was before and flick out. Come from under the skin line up and flick out. Keep doing this a number of times till you feel that nothing more is coming off. Look how low I am. Look how we started up high and look how we're gradually going down. I close the lever a little bit, then I'm going from under the skin line through and flick out. Close it a little bit more, just touching the skin line now, going through and flick out. It's important to keep flicking out because I'm flicking out this skin line. A few more touches just on the skin line to fade it out more cleanly. And now I'm going to shape his hair. It's important to know how to freehand. Whatever shape they want, you can freehand it. Whether it's square, this time will be slightly rounded. A more natural rounded look. Now in the shape up, I want to tell you what I've done to make this fade look this way. It's important if you rewatch the video from the beginning, see how when I started, I went with a number 2 and I went from the top of the hair and just went with the groove and flattened the side. Then I dropped down to the 1.5, then a 1, just flattening the sides. Because most barbers bring this fade in too high and you start looking like Gerard, is it Gerard or Gerald from Hey Arnold, and we don't want that. Go and get that reference and you'll see what I'm talking about. We want it to be faded solely on the sides, not on the top of the hair. So make sure we keep that fade on the side of the hair, guys. And that is the big mistake that most people make. I'm just doing a bit of refining right now. And there we have it. A high top fade. I hope you've enjoyed this tutorial. If it's been helpful, let me know. And if you've watched it this far, let me know as well. You've been in the cut with SliderCuts. Follow if you're not following already.